Guys, ito yung pagkain dito sa IKEA. Dito sa dinadaanan ko sa Nanton. Ito guys ay how much did you buy?
389.
389. How about the chicken? This chicken?
280.
280. How about this?
75.
75. How about this?
79.
How about this one?
45.
45 only. Wow, this is good. Mashed potato, right? How? This is a total of how much?
About 1,300.
1,300. You can enjoy already, guys. And very delicious. I want to try to eat this very delicious rib. Very soft and tasty. So delicious, guys. When you eat the food, you need to mangilamin mo ng gusto, guys. Kasi pinagpaguran natin yung pinagtabuhan natin ito ng gusto. Kaya kailangan enjoy hard. Ang sarap. With vegetables. Broccoli. Or cauliflower. Broccoli. Very delicious. 好吃 in English means delicious. Very delicious. I mix my language, guys. First, I stay here for a long time already. So, confused sometimes. Masarap. Masarap. Sarap siya mga guys. Ito masarap. Ito. Ang lambot ng chicken niya. Yeah. Sarap ng chicken niya. Ayan guys. Itong drinks nila. Wow, strawberry with cranberry. And guys, and this is their money here. Look, show me the money. Give me the money. This is money here in Taiwan. $10.